Hey guys, I'm back with a human hair wig that I'm super excited about because it's from our good friends over there at ISEE Hair. They're one of my most favorite human hair wig companies. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. And y'all know how I feel about ISEE. In the description box, I'll be sure to put all the details about this unit as well as a direct link to their website for you guys to look around. Y'all know I cannot remember what I ordered because I order so much hair, but that's okay because I like to unbox and do everything on camera with y'all, right? All right. So the wig came in a shipping packaging. That's all it was either FedEx or DHL. I can't remember. And all I did was take the box out of that to show you that the wig is still wrapped up. Like it's in a plastic wrap with their branding all on it. So we truly will unbox this together to see what we have. With all of my hair in the past I've gotten from ISEE Hair, amazing. So I know this one will not disappoint. So they are so extra and really nice in their packaging. The wig comes in this new box. This is a new style box. They used to fold the other way. So I like the fact that the wig slides. Or does it slide or does it open? It's the branding that they do. So when we open this up, y'all, there's so much in here. This is a new wig that they have. It's called a block wig. It says, let's build a wig with a block wig. And I saw and I said, we have got to see what they are talking about. So it comes up with all types of stuff. It says R for replace. So if you damage your wig, they said that they have something in here that can replace damaged lace, replace a different color, replace a different length, and replace a different lace size. So that's a lot. Okay, and then they have a block B. They said that the block B is for the base. It said the base of the block 1B block B can match all block R. They also have different options for length, color. So it's a lot to unpack. Okay, so I'm excited. They also gave us a little booklet on how to do everything, and I'm just excited for this. Like to be able to fix a wig that I no doubt has I've destroyed it. Okay. Y'all, everything comes in its own little separate packaging as well. Let's pull all of these out and look at these items individually. Get into the block stuff because I mean, there was so much in this box, y'all. I did want to show you the extras that they give us. And like I say, this packaging is just always so cute to me. This new packaging is very cute though. The extras that they have included in this little box. They have given us some cute eyelashes. They have given us 2 HD wig caps. Y'all, they really do have the best packaging on the market. They have given us an edge band with their branding on it. Super cute. And they have also given us a glueless band for one of the wear and go wigs in here as well. So those are the extras. Now we're going to break down the other stuff that's included with this. We have 2 boxes that we need to break down. We have a R block, and they say that you can use that to repair lace, all types of stuff. And then we have, it says block R, block B. I can't remember what this is. So we're going to look at them all together. In this box, it says that we have a 5x7 HD straight wig, and it is 24 inches long. So let's pull this out first. Okay. And we have 2 items in these sacks. Let's see what, I just threw that on the ground. Let's see what we have in these little packages. Each one came with its own separate packaging. Oh, y'all, I can tell what I'm going to be able to do. I am going to be able to switch this wig up. Y'all, look. I see a zipper. So I have a feeling that that's what this is going to be. We're going to be able to switch out what a wig looks like. This looks like the base of the wig because when I open this up, I see that we have a really long comb. We have some adjustable straps back there. I see we have some drawstring. There's a lot going on this piece. So that came in one sack. So we are building our own wig essentially. And ooh, Lord, y'all know I really, oof. Yep, that's exactly what we're doing, because in this other sack, I see that we have some color. Let me take this packaging off. Oh, y'all. Y'all. Look. We have some color. And on this one, you get, did I say a 7x5? It's 5x7. 5x7, 7x5. Parting space, you have a glueless band here. And it's also that zipper. I think you're gonna be able to attach this to another, okay? That looks really good, just right out of the pack, huh? Okay, let's see what's in the other. Last box we need to look in is this one, and it says that it's a 9x6 skin lace for a straight wig, and it is 24 inches long as well. Let's see what is in this one, what this one does, because clearly your girl gonna have to go in and read the little pamphlet, okay? If I can open it. All right, so in that sack, and it came in this on the white thing as well. When we open this up, what do we have? It's another, you're gonna be able to switch up if you want the color. Y'all, look. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to, see, I always run out and get stuff. We're gonna have to read the little manual, because on this one, you also get quite a bit of parting space. You get those 2 cones in the front, and you have some attachable Velcro here. All right, yeah, we're gonna read the pamphlet, okay? Because this is really, really pretty too, okay? Let's see how all these go together. So I know that unboxing seemed like a lot, but y'all, it's really, really easy. ISEE has included a guide to show you. There's only 4 steps. They're saying you're gonna take this piece, and it says that you turn the wig outward, and then you attach it to one of those bottoms. Either one works, either the one with the color or the one without. And then it says you can attach the hooks on both sides, and then you are done. And they say the reason why they did that is because you can get more than one wig in a wig. You'll be able to repair and replace. The other thing that I was concerned about, or I was interested in, is the zipper, because that's the first time I've ever seen a wig with a zipper in it. And they actually explain in the booklet why they use the zipper and what type of zippers they use. Y'all know I had to go read. That's the researcher in me. It said that they use zippers because it provides more security, more durability, aka the wig is not gonna fall off my little bald head. It makes it easy. They also have a patent on this because they said not all zippers can be used in a wig. They have a specialized zipper that they went through and researched to make sure it works. And y'all, they even included a timeline on how they got all of this together. So this was just an interesting read to see something that could be so innovative in the wig world, okay? What I am going to do is I'm going to, of course, type out the steps here for y'all to see. And I'm going to do it on camera. I just won't be talking, but I want you guys to see how easy it is to construct these different looks that you can do with this wig. So I'll do that, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. final thoughts on this wig. Wow, at first I was getting overwhelmed because y'all know I'm a beginner. I can't comb hair. Once I read this little manual, y'all, and saw that it was just 4 steps and how easy it was, I am now in love with this wig. This is so amazing that you literally can get 2 or 3 wigs out of this one wig. The other thing I was concerned about, y'all don't know how many times I ran that zipper trying to see if it would jam. The zipper did not jam. The zipper was gliding effortlessly. Like, I love everything about this unit. This is very, very innovative in the wig world, because I think for all of us, if you're a wig wearer, you've had a wig where you've ripped the lace or you've done something and it's like, oh, the wig is just done for. What ISEE has done by including these zippers is said, no, you don't have to lose your wig. You don't have to throw it away. All you have to do is attach another piece to it. Interesting thing that ISEE did with these wigs is you don't have to get these colors and these textures. They have made these wigs in other colors, other textures, and I think that would really elevate this. Imagine if you bought this unit and it came with these 2 toppers, and then you went and you bought another unit that came with 2 more toppers. Your combinations could be like endless. Oh, how many wigs that you could get out of these. Y'all, this is not gimmicky. This is not a fad. I really think this will change the game for wig wearers, and I really 1000% can recommend this one by ISEE Hair. Y'all already know how this goes. Since I got this one and I really liked it, I do want to go and play around with some of the other options that they have to see if they are as bomb, because this one, A++++. Recommend it. If you look in their description box, I'll put a direct link to their website as well as a link to this exact wig, because I think this is one that you would absolutely love. I really, really do. In the comments, y'all talk to me and tell me what your thoughts are on this new zipper cap wig. Oh, that's the other thing. Fits very comfortably on my head because it's adjustable. It'll fit anybody's head. So talk to me in the comments. Tell me what y'all's thoughts are. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.